In this very video, I am going to reveal the methods which generate thousands of dollars each month by selling physical products on Amazon. We will discuss step by step how you can start your business on Amazon with less money and in just 1 week. First, we need to learn how Amazon system works. Amazon works in two different shipping methods. First is FBA and second is FBM. In FBA, Amazon will take care all of the storage, pick, pack and ship all of your products and also all the customer support on your behalf and charge you some amount of money. In FBM, you will store your goods at your place, home or warehouse and you will handle all of the pick, pack, ship and customer support on a given time. Later in this video, we will discuss how to start selling on Amazon in 2023. How many models on Amazon? FBA or FBM, which one is for you? How to set up your seller account on Amazon? How to find profitable products? This video is a complete guide on how to start your business on Amazon, so watch this video till to the end for better understanding. When it comes to start on Amazon, there are 4 models which you can start: online arbitrage, wholesale, dropshipping and private label. You can start online arbitrage in just $100 or $200 and source products from your nearest store. The idea is to source on cheap price from your local discount store and sell on Amazon for a higher price. However, it is very easy to start, but it will not scalable as you are always looking for new discounted items in your local market and buying 5-10 units and sending them to Amazon. On the other hand, wholesale on Amazon is more reliable and scalable and will give you the consistent and higher profit in a longer run. In wholesale, you find a good product on Amazon which already generating revenue and authentic supplier for sourcing. Once you identify the authentic wholesaler or supplier, you can ask for a list of more products or brands from wholesaler, which increase your product catalog rapidly. In this process, you should have budget at least $500 for each product. You need just 10 products which generates $1,000 sales each for a month for you, so you can easily generate $10,000 each month and you can add more products in your account which will increase your sales and profit. In dropshipping, you do FBM and store products at your place, home or your warehouse and ship them by yourself. We are not discussing dropshipping in this video in detail. We will make another dedicated video on it. Next, the most profitable and capital intensive business is private label, in which you literally build your brand from scratch and launch your brand on Amazon directly from your seller account. If you have good investment, private label can add more cash into your bank account than all of the other models. But it takes more time to build and more resources as you are building something from scratch. In private label, you order bulk items directly from manufacturer or factory and paste your custom brand name on it and sell on Amazon and also off from Amazon. You can create your Shopify store for your brand which can potentially double your sales and income over time and also sell other platforms as well like Walmart. First and foremost, you need to set up your Amazon account. For this, just head to the Amazon Seller Central sign up page. Sell.amazon.com for USA and in UK sell.amazon.co.uk. Here you will find 2 options: individual plan and professional plan. Individual plan comes up with so much limitations and will not allow you to scale your business because you will not be able to sell more than 40 items per month and will not be able to run ads for your store. On the other hand, professional plan allows you to sell as much as you can and allows you to run ads for your store or build a brand from scratch. So better option to go with professional plan always. After creating your account, meanwhile we will start looking for a product. When you talk about product research on Amazon, there are multiple solutions to that, but we are using Helium 10. Let's open the Helium 10 web app. In dashboard, here are plenty of tools. Every tool has its unique use. For product research, we are using Black Box. Here are the criteria of our product research. Minimum price should be $20. BSR maximum 75,000 90 days average. 250 units sold minimum. Minimum review 100. Minimum star rating 4.3. Weight should not be more than 5 pounds. Number of FBA sellers should be 4 to 20, not Amazon on buy box. Let's add it to the black box filter area and see what results shows up. Here you can change your marketplace easily. Here is the result of our given criteria. Now check them one by one product on Amazon and analyze them in more depth. You can see the brand name, which is very helpful and important in wholesale. Analyze the product by monthly sales and review and rating. Price and how many sellers selling is very important. Let's open one list and check all the information on the list. Click on the other seller information tab. Here you can see how many sellers are selling already and who is selling. Amazon is the only seller on this listing, which is why we will not consider this product because Amazon will not give you any sale. Let's see another product. Let's open this listing. After all the checks, this product looks promising. Now we need an authentic wholesaler for this product sourcing. For this, just search on Google with the brand name for the wholesaler. You will get dozens of results. Contact these wholesaler and ask for a price sheet or scrap on the website and calculate all the shipping and product costs. For product costs, use the FBA revenue calculator. After finding the profitable product, you can place your order with the wholesaler. Finding a wholesaler is not an easy task. You need to consider so many things before placing the order. Profit calculation, shipping cost, and shipping terms from your wholesalers. Lead time of shipping. For your convenience, I am giving you a free list of wholesalers which I or my team worked with them in the past, so you can avoid hours of work. Link is in the description, but check everything, special discounts and shipping agreement before placing an order and talk to them on phone call. See you in next video.